Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I strip my semi-permanent hair color without using bleach. I know, right? How strange. But I've only ever done this once before to strip some purple out of my hair, and I'm actually going to go purple again after this. For some reason, after green, I always go purple. You can see my other video where I went from green to purple. That's up on my channel. So let's get into it. So here's what I'm going to be using to strip my hair color today. I'm going to be using baking soda, dish soap, and 10 volume developer. This is what activates the baking soda, which makes your hair lift, makes the color come out. Obviously, a higher developer will give you a stronger, faster lift, but I'm only using 10 volume today because my hair is very light underneath the screen and I don't want to damage it. The developer I'm using is by Ion. It's their sensitive scalp developer. It has conditioning wheat protein and a refreshing fragrance. First I'm going to put in some of the baking soda. Got a big rock in there. Now I'm going to add in our 10 volume developer. Alright, this is what we are working with. Now I'm going to add in the dish soap. Oh. Don't do that. Alright, now I'm just going to section off my hair. Oh. Are you kidding? It just happened to this one too. Why? I'm focusing on the mid-shaft first, and then when this is lightened enough, I'm going to do the ends.
You just gotta bend your knees, take a deep breath, and jump. And you might think, what if I fall? Well, what if you don't? What if you fly?
You believe I've had this hair color for 2 months? That's like the longest I've ever had a hair color that wasn't my natural hair color. Crazy. Okay, here's it all throughout my hair. I'm going to put it up in a cap and apply heat to it. I'm going to do that for 5 minutes. To do that safely, you put your hair in a cap and then hold the hair dryer at least 3 feet away on the low heat setting for at least 5 minutes, and then I'm going to just sit with it, check it, see if it needs any more heat, and overall I'm only going to leave this on for at the most 20 minutes. So I'll be right back when my hair is all done. Alright, here's my hair after the baking soda treatment. I'm super happy with how much green it took out. Since I am going to be bleaching my roots and then putting purple on top, I don't need to lighten this anymore for what I'm going to do next. But if you want to see a video on me bleaching my roots and dyeing my hair purple, please leave a comment down below. I don't really feel like I need to make a video on that because I have so many other videos of me dyeing my hair purple and bleaching my roots, but if you want to see that, leave a comment. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you have the same results as I did today with this kind of method. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so you never miss out when I upload, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!